So hello, here I am again with another video. Vlog. The stepper motor from a DVD is taken and connected with the ESC of your RC plane. Here one can probably do the similar thing like I did here. So the middle two wires connected together go through one of the connections in ESC. However, the other two are the single wires to your stepper motor. So the reason is because these, if you see properly, these two wires, the first two terminals are the one winding and the other two terminals are the second winding, and in that way there are four connections. However, the ESC has three terminals. The easiest way is to just make a common connection of two windings in the middle and connect to the ESC, and here we go. If you want to reverse the direction, just replace one of the connections to any other side and it will work properly. So that was another vlog video of making things. Let's have fun.